Hey, what's up guys? Jamie here from SnakeHuntersTV, and today's episode is all about fidget spinners. I'm just kidding. I'm going to show you some cool snakes. Check it out. But seriously, fidget spinners are the in thing. I'm like the last one to get one. It's a glow-in-the-dark one. It's pretty cool. Check it out. I'm getting pretty good. Wait, no, that wasn't good. Try it again. Okay, ready? I'm going to sit here and make you guys watch until this stops. Pretty good. Look at that. The balance. Skill, baby. Look at that. Slowing down. You get to where it stops and it's not going to fall. I mastered this. Check it out. I might put a time code in this so you can see how long it actually spins. It's getting there. Almost done. See if you guys at home can beat my score. I'll give you the time when I'm done. Slap up on the screen. Go, go, go. And that's it. Cool. Alright, I'll show you some snakes. Alright, let's get to the real point of this video, the fidget spinner thing, which is I was just having fun, you know. So, I'll show you some cool snakes you haven't seen in a while. Give you kind of an update. Of course, here we got Jasmine, great girl. Come here. Her cage is a mess right now. So I'm going to be cleaning that. I'm not going to show you that, but here's Jasmine. And for those of you who don't know, she's a Guyana red-tailed boa. And she'll get over 11, 12 foot long easily. She's a female. She's really pretty and gentle. She's awesome. I'll show you her underside. It's really pretty. It's Oreo cookie. And look at this pretty face. See the purple and pinks in there? You guys can see, hopefully. She's beautiful. And she's probably, it's hard to tell, she's probably 7 foot long, so really strong too. But anyways, I use paper for the boas, the bigger boas. So I'm not going to bore you with it. What I do is take everything out. Let her stick. She loves. Take the paper out. Clean it with some F10 veterinary disinfectant with water. She's got a hole in my neck pretty good. Anyways, wipe down any feces, scrape that off, and throw it out, and get it nice and clean, put some new paper down, and give her some fresh water. And that's what I'm about to do, but I'm not going to show you because I don't want to bore you. But I just want to show you Jasmine. Alright, well I whipped up the cage, got it clean, new paper, everything's good to go, fresh water. Just put her in there and she's good to go. There you go, girl. Alright, next up another boa. Most of you know this is a motley boa. Her name is Emily, this is Krista's. 100% het albino, which means if I breed her, we breed her, that she can produce the same snake right here, same patterns, but albino. And they're pretty sweet. She's a good snake. She's getting big. And her tank's already clean. Krista took care of that earlier, so just wanted to give you a little update on Emily, motley boa. Alright, well here's another boa. It's a different kind of boa. This is actually a Colombian rainbow boa. You guys know it's brownie. Sometimes brownie can be a little nippy. He's got some skin in here, I might get out. Like I said, he can be a little nippy, but it seems like he's doing alright right now. They're known for their iridescence in the light. Rainbow boa. This is the male. In a minute, I will show you the female. He's just a little sketchy, but he's pretty cool. A little shy, that's all. Ooh. Whoa! What are you doing? See what I'm saying? Don't get your face up to a snake's face. Because he will. And you guys know me, I might tempt it. I've been bit on the nose, I've been bit on the eye by boas. But dang! 3D, that was so quick. I'm quick. You guys like that? Alright. That's seriously a little freaky, but I am fast. Not quite as fast as him though, but he didn't get me, did he? But before he does get me, I think I'll put him back. He's just, some snakes just do not, they're just ornery. You know, like humans. He could bite you any second, but most of our snakes are awesome, they're cool, they won't bite. This snake, it's got an attitude, eh? Whatever, can't blame him. Anyways, that's Brownie. Hopefully I can get some slow-mos in there of the face shots. Pretty cool. Good stuff. Alright guys, on a different note, here's Brownie's girlfriend Scar, and she is definitely nowhere near like him, if you can see. I do this all day long with her, she's really pretty good. And she's a lot less aggressive. I wouldn't say aggressive, more like defensive. He just doesn't want my face up against his face. She's cool, and she's had a lot of babies. Love this snake. So I just want to give you an update on some boas, guys, and you know, say what up. Until next time, we'll got some exciting stuff coming up, so you will see it. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.